Ready? Start. Honorable members, in order to enhance the profitability of agriculture, my government is also placing emphasis on creating modern agriculture infrastructure. Full stop. The Agriculture Infrastructure Fund for rupees 1 lakh crore has also been started for this purpose. Full stop. The Kisan Rail started throughout the country is helping chart a new course by increasing the access of Indian farmers to new markets. Full stop. This rail is like a mobile cold storage. Full stop. So far, over 100 Kisan rails have been started, which have enabled the farmers to transport over 38,000 tons of food grains and fruits and vegetables from one region to the other. Full stop. In order to increase the income of farmers, my government has also focused on development of livestock as a source of income. Full stop. As a result, the livestock of the country has been increasing at an annual rate of 8.2% over the last 5 years. Full stop. The government has also set up the Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund for rupees 15,000 crore for creating basic infrastructure and encouraging investment in dairy sector. Full stop. Para. My government has also extended the facility of Kisan credit cards to animal husbandry and fishery sectors. Full stop. Efforts have been undertaken to increase the income of fishermen through the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. Full stop. In this sector, an investment of about rupees 20,000 crore has been planned over the next 5 years. Full stop. In order to increase the income of the farmers, the government has also launched a campaign to turn the Annadata into Urjadata. 20 lakh solar pumps are being provided to farmers under the Pradhan Mantri Kusum Yojana. Full stop. Government is also encouraging production of ethanol from sugarcane, maize and paddy. Full stop. Due to the affirmative policies of the government over the past 6 years, the annual ethanol production has increased from 38 crore liters to 190 crore liters. Full stop. The production is expected to reach 320 crore liters this year. Full stop. Ethanol is emerging as a major source for augmenting the income of farmers. Full stop. Pujya Bapu had envisioned the development of self-reliant Adarsh Gram. Carrying this idea forward, my government has been working relentlessly for multifaceted development of villages, raising the standard of living of the villagers in a priority for my government. Full stop. This is best exemplified by the 2 crore houses built since 2014 for the poor families living in villages in the country. Full stop.